Hey yo, welcome to chillin' with the bosses like hey, aka Foxy the music name, man, you know what it is, man. And right here with me today, yo, today's a crazy episode. It's a different vibe, you know what it is, man. It's the safe part, you know what it is, bro. Yo, without any wasting Jew, today I'm with my best guy, you know, this is my buddy, man. This is my buddy, bro. This is my buddy, bro. And yo guys should like start expecting seeing her like more often, you smell me? Yeah, expect seeing her more often because of this is your co-host with the most. You smell me? You smell me? Yo, Bonzo, how you doing, my sister? How you doing? How you doing? Are you feeling the vibe? What you think? What you think? What you think? What you think about the car, the level? You smell me?
It's on another level. It's awesome.
One's hard.
Beautiful. Nice.
How are you? I'm fine. How are you? How are you? I'm fine. How are you? You're welcome. So guys, you know what it is, man. It's a safe from pie, and welcome to another banger episode. You know what it is, man. It's a different vibe, it's a different episode, man. You know what it is, man. We're doing it, man. We're not stopping. We told you in the last episode, man, we are here to stay. We are not here temporarily. We are here to build up on another level. We are here to oil. You smell me? So without any wasted Jew of the day, you smell me? Yo, I've got this thing that has been on my mind for the rest of the week, yo. I've been like, yo. I can't wait. I was like, yo, I can't wait to like, talk about this thing, man. And I actually need your thoughts, guys. You smell me? I need your thoughts on this one. You smell me? You guys are actually supposed to tell me for say dog, okay, fan shop, this is what you think. You smell me? Yeah. So guys, I've been this is a crazy it's actually a crazy topic to actually start off the episode with, but anyway, we're doing it. It's the safe from pub. We safe here. We safe. You smell me? It's a safe space. You smell me? So yeah, man. Guys, what do you think about white people colonized the black people?
Did they colonize us though? I don't think
good question. Good question, my dear.
Did they colonize us though?
Good question, my dear. So that's what I actually wanted to know.
I don't think they did. I don't think they did colonize us though. I think we as black people, we just don't think.
Because of, let me tell you, the reason why I'm asking this question, I'm asking this question because like I've been sitting and asking myself for, wait a minute. If these people colonized us, dog, you know, we know this post-colonial type of thing in English, you smell me? So they tell us there was this story where, especially, it was in Sashaka. I think it was story Sashaka, you smell me? So on the story, what they're saying is, when the white people came, that concept actually touched me, and then it has been embroidered in my mind. This moment. So they say have a feature, but what they did first, like how they move. I want you to like listen to these moves and tell me if they equate to being colonization. Yeah. You understand me? So when these people pulled up here in South you know, in Africa, you smell me?
They came first trying to like building a refreshment place, remember?
Smell me? So that's my thing. So these people, when they came in, what they did was to be like, they stayed, they blended, they settled. You understand? Then they studied the moves of how we do it.
And they saw
like the black people.
This place have resources.
You understand? So like they actually studied the place, and then after that they've seen like an opening. They struck. You smell me? So you tell me, is that colonization or we were just outsmarted? Like,
but the concept of colonization doesn't include things like, because we were majority failure when they came. Yeah. I think Bona as white people I think they just outsmarted us fail. Yeah. Because they were like small of them and we are majority failure.
Hence I'm like we had the numbers. How the fuck do like no China like there's like, let's say for an example, there's 10 of us in the room and 2 niggas who come from outside that we don't know of, maybe of a different race. You're not being racist, by the way. You understand?
Come with the mirror and say you can see yourself.
comes in and then comes with something like that's gonna change our mind, like comes with a trick to change our mind. So like, did that person colonize us or he outsmarted us? I mean, like, there's 10 of us and we failed to actually figure it out for okay fine sharp motono yana ntwa itho go re mena so re count no yana go na ba tlang go tla why they colonized us, and when they colonized us white people, this is our land. How did they take it?
We know how to do this as not
to think. That's our problem. So that's my take of the day. Like, I've been like asking myself like real deep. Like, I was like, yo, like, did the white people colonize us or they outsmarted us? Like, those are two different things.
I feel like
because of how you understand?
Yeah, they just use their brains.
Did they use their brains on us and then
we did?
Because
remember
at first instance they didn't take. We knew nothing. And that's why I'm saying at first instance, if these people they were actually colonizing us, they would have just taken over. Like at first instance.
They can't, because if taking someone is using power, then if they were colonized as Jiveli, they came with an army. Fight physically or something.
It's a fight from the get-go, you understand? So that's what I've been asking myself. And then this concept, I don't know why. Like, I mean, like, we all know, like, this is a fact. But we know for black people, like, we use a recipe of takelelo.
Yeah, thank you.
And especially Mazulu.
Thank you. About Mazulu, they always fight sham.
Well, that's how they resolve stuff. They don't want to like talk. They don't like use
They only like this warrior thing I look up to is Moshesh. Have you seen how the story of Moshesh is like being outsmarted the Zulus with the thing of giving them cows because they came to fight and then he gave them cows. I think that's smart.
If I'm not mistaken, I don't know such a tricky the bay it's a whole series it's okay series for and that village was being attacked.
The name of the mountain is Tapsi or something.
Because
it's still there even now.
So it's still there. It's a landmark.
They rolled rocks, big rocks.
So that's the thing about, like, that's a W trick. So these people, what they did, it was to go at the top of the mountain, like on the series. So these people are blind. So I actually like that era. Not lefatsi. But that area, but I could say because of like every like to a distance of Cape Town. After Cape Town, it's another tribe of people blind, still blind. They don't see. But there's this Jarl Marat in Toninto, man. I want why you say your money? Lemon, why you say again? Lemon, because of now, it's because of he's a person like Jarl Marate. So they call it a gift because of they are blind, mind you. So the person who sees, they say these are the people who are the gifted. So the gifted and happy because of they say, and like say you put a sales company depict as something of which like we're gonna encounter like in the future because of they are like pilling those people. Because of pilling those people, what they did was to like but destroy little fats machine and that's what is actually happening.
Have you seen this movie called Aklis?
No.
There's this movie called Aklis, whereas like the old machines delete each and everything, like stop nature from happening. Like there's no flowers, there's no trees, there's no anything. It was like a place in jail with nothing.
That's the same thing. That's the like same kind of concept or like as the people who see like I get another ability to create like I want to do AI. So those things they're gonna like the technology. So technology is taking over, and on top of technology is taking over, that means our lives are more at stake. It's more like the more technology takes over, the more our lives like are more in danger. Because because of now we rely on it. We no longer like do things ourselves, and there are certain things of which can be altered because of now. If you're a person along you know, like controlling a machine is a piece of cake because of you can just hack it. And then imagine if you can rely on machine or AI or whatever. For an example,
because now we have a robot that actually produce babies.
Exactly.
Like imagine.
And there are sex robots on top of that. You smell me. There are sex robots on top of that. You smell me. So that's the thing, dog. Like all of those things, so equated to like danger.
I feel like they stop nature from happening. I feel like they are very stopping nature from happening.
You smell me. So that's what is happening there. So those people, they are like that. For them, like, these people about destroy the first world. Which is the first world. If you bag it, it's the world that you are in right now. If you bag it, it's the world that you're in right now. It's the era that you're in right now. You smell me? So that's what is happening there. So those people like it was a resemblance of how they fought that war. So those people fast forward, they are blind people. So this other tribe are the blind people. Because of these people, as they are blind like that, they like share a different abilities. Like hearing future divisions and also so they consisted of a lot of people the ability to cheating feel like because of us they can hear like from afar. They can even calculate from the give you an exact number. For this is the number of people who are here, like they are coming to attack us. So during that time, but then even this tribe Aquaman Baba Baba, it still had those people along, they had those abilities, you understand? So cool. Balwana. These people, the first thing they did, they went up at the top of the hill because of when I talk about deforesting, obviously there are like mountains there. But at the top of it, so this thing, it was already preset. It's a strategy for war because of Major since I first we like go fell about to a village and then back cut the rope, Major Mahula. So that's the very same concept. Understand?
Yeah.
That's the problem.
I think it was smart.
It was a smart move because of like dog, like most of the time.
As black people, I don't know what is depressing us, but we are smart in some way, but we are using our smartness in weird things, man. For example, a black people can create another person. A black people can create a Tokolo, so why don't we do something? I don't know, we are smart, Mara. We are hiding those smartness. Like, we are using it in weird things. That's the truth, Mara. We are using it in weird things. You be laughing, but that is the truth, man. We are smart, but using our smart things in weird things.
I was trying to I did not see that. Like they can actually typically they can. It's such black people have a power to like resurrect because of Tokolos. It's more of like resurrection. I bet
there's a monkey. I just tell the monkey what to do. Okay, go there and do this. I feel like black people are just jealous of one another's success and if now I had a Togolos, I was going to rob a bank. Finish.
But like I'm a great yes, you smart. I'm a great concept. Why very also say Tokolosi for if I ega banking. I
it's just go around the house. Around the house and if you are sleeping when and goes around the house and you can
like how long to again and banka yellow one and feel to my safe and be that.
But like lightning look at the graduate. black people are very smart.
Sebedisa lightning ya no lo bethadisa di go titse lo go gona o tsana ka ra banka a ba fetsa ka ke wrong man.
Thank you. Thank you. You are very right. Why like setting something it will benefit wena? Because it won't benefit you if o romela thokolo to someone else. Am I lying?
Mothola ha okay fine sharp. Mothola o gaina jwang ha mothola ke ta o sotle. Oh wa thaba. That's the only thing I gaina.
Yeah, o ba sharp like I am the only one alone.
Kapo di register mthole di like some mthole di wela o ye.
No.
Ga di fara ntho tseno no ne? Some of them.
I think so.
Yeah.
So. But you can just do it to your neighbor just because your neighbor came with the KFC. And then like
I got to cabbage.
And you cabbage every day. You see?
The only time I spicy.
You see? Black people are smart, but in a wrong way and in the weirdest way, like ever. I don't know why don't they use their smartness in good things and shit.
Yeah.
I don't know. I want to make an example of China. In China, a 11-year-old child is doing things. It's working like.
I life as a whole is cheating us. System as a whole is cheating us.
I feel like
because of like the system go him na even a fucked up way some ba ruta ma ada. Ntse re busy ga sekolo mo le mona ba rutwa maada.
Being taught.
Nto ha ona ntho ngo go rutwa no tjena fetho mona e ka twa no tjena like.
Teach you what ba batlang go etse.
Like talk mona ngruto etsa something to be innovative. Mona China fetho mona fetho like gonzo 5-year-old. I'm like build a cell phone. Some of these ideas, especially with some sense of Hawaii, na body into body Oppo. Okay, for out of on concept it love from one. That's China for you. It will give you creativity.
No, example like this guy.
Yeah.
I don't know. Concept for somewhere. I don't know if it's true.
Yeah.
I didn't feel like a thing. No, he billionaire because he came with the idea of please call.
Oh, you are demano.
Please call me.
Demano 112 over a call. You don't know for a
like no shaky billionaire just because
I was like demano like here's the thing I wanna understand. So if it's this is how it goes. Demano came to over a call money. So that is how we invented Vodacom. And then Vodacom capitalized of home. Like get this straight, honal MTN, honal telecom, honal other networks, and I got flat on honor call back. How not how he gets on and such one diamond utlega call back. That's the concept, but to understand already. Diamond utlega please call, like please call, please call. Any network you think na. So utlega yo na Vodacom, so Vodacom you na ya pila banal please call. But I'll try that and say no. Okay, cool, sharp. So how got out like I didn't say no diamond and then obviously. Idea in an idea to get it how they implement a
yeah, but feeling company, maybe I feel a company. So you came and like proposed the idea, and then they took it. And then if setting the part and the billions, I think they pay every year because they are still using it.
Yeah, they're still using it. Like
it's like when they put your picture there. You're still using.
Like what the fuck? So what's so tough for Bapatala choose the billions I have a fit? I'm gonna bless and choose them like a 90 billion.
Yeah, someone like you.
90 billion.
The rich ain't gonna pay for the poor. That's just a simple fact. For the fact that the black person who invented this thing.
What's that you talk about? No chena choose kwena yelo wa travel lawyer mjondo lo no chena choose u fihla ra ntho malo dropa MTN la o la please call ba o phoneela o felletse ke airtime once o fihla late o la
I feel like it was nice.
Like it was so smart.
You can see.
It's tough.
That's fucked up.
A guy.
He's black.
Who did a proposal? He did
that's
a proposal. After doing a proposal,
being black is a case.
Proposal and make them theirs. And just
being black is a case.
That's fucked up.
Being black is a case. I feel like Mara in some things there are so many talented young girls, young boys out here, and there are no opportunities. Trust me, there are no opportunities.
Yeah, like there's a lot of people who like invent like amazing stuff. You understand? There's like a lot of people who like invent like amazing stuff. Just like that guy will invent or like mtlakaso like ona khona for anke mtlakaso from. Like there's energy everywhere, you know that concept, right? Energy is everywhere. So that man, what he did, generate out of the waves. Yeah, let me put like that, out of the waves. That means you don't have to pay for electricity. You understand? That man vanished. God damn, you smell me? A black guy. I think it's from Nigeria, if I'm not mistaken. Like people down on the comments, they will like correct me.
Because he vanished, they're gonna take his proposal. Simple fact.
They're gonna demolish it because of like if we bag it.
They wanna be a monopoly.
Nah. This is how it works. It's because of he's gonna vanish because of they want to make that invention go rogue. Why? They wanted to go rogue because of if it enters the market, it's going to bring down whatever that they're doing because of it's capitalism. It's capitalism. There are other ways like bo solar or banning like bo eskom kapo eng instead of somebody busy ba basa malahla ba kopanya ntse di ingredients di fedile. Why they don't just buy. Okay, for example, the solar. I'm one of the massive who build massive solar still more recycling the supply. Like the way, like I think it's one of the most like obvious solution that we have. You understand? Yeah, that's one of the most obvious solution that we have. So I wanna understand, bro. Like I'm confused. So that's my take.
You know, I think like we as black people, there's this concept of us not thinking, us not being smart, and we are smart. It's just that I don't understand. I just don't understand. We are smart as black people, but I think we're not thinking, man. Like I wanna make an example of this student, like learners from high school.
Yeah,
they can create like things, ne? The only thing that they did, they took them from high school and just brought them there unique. And they went nowhere. Nowhere. They just created them things and they went nowhere. You can never hear a black like person saying nah. Especially from here around Gaga. They can just say, okay, you know, I did this and I'm out there. Mara sports hadina like you don't even see what's going on. Ba white. They are going somewhere. I wanna make an example where I stay.
Yeah.
What's a dancing and Luna can see understand dancing thing. He's been to Devon, China and stuff like the Korea.
Travel around the world.
Hey, yeah. Dance here in China. Yo, like no, one thing like hey, yes, thank you. Yeah, like this.
Like a mega far. Girls gonna be guided
like that, like it's weird, Mara. No, usatwa hole man, guys. Utwa guy was China and stuff like that for that dance. And I didn't say in you, Yamaho, fine. And then this other guy wa kola tube.
Yeah.
Uta made places. We don't turn and I hold to like more often. Una sa do it my ho. Want kim thamotone. No, una sa do it my ho. I feel like into consideration man. I don't understand why like as black people we're not taking things
don't see serious. The opportunities. We are ignorant. We are the first to hate. That's the fucked up thing about us.
And we are talented, bro, we are talented.
That's the fucked up thing, you know. For sure, this is the fourth, if not the third episode we've been preaching. Talent. Especially
Mara. Okay, I understand how we are ignorant as like maybe as youth. Now, let's talk about the management up there. What are they doing about that?
Chowing money.
You know.
That's what they're good at, my boy. Chow the money, yeah.
Because they should build facilitators, facilities to monitor our talent. Because if you can see, media is the most paying right now.
Yeah, I mean the score is in the media.
Football, money, each and everything, money. Money is there in the media. And we are very talented, but then what can we do? Our management is very chowing the
failing
money.
us.
It's chowing the money. That's what they know.
They're failing us. So that's the problem, man.
They are only chowing the money. That's what they know. Chowing the money.
Nah, that's the greatest problem that we're facing. So, man, yeah, that was the first thing that has been bothering me for like the rest of the week I was like, yo, like, if you look at this concept, bro, like, did really like the white people that colonized us, or they just like outsmarted us, you know, they use their brains, and then not after we see for us, they outsmart, like, it's obvious. How I'm talking, especially how I'm talking to Melan defeat, especially when I'm Mandaki. I know. So yeah, man, that's what it is. So that's what has been on my mind too. That's what I think too for it. We were definitely not outsmarted. Like, we were definitely not colonized. We were outsmarted because of, if you look at it now, my concept of being colonized, I believe for Mototo Flagama, no, you're not saying that's colonization.
That's why
so yeah, man, so that's what's up. So man, yeah, that was the take of the day. And then there's other thing as we moving on that is bothering me. Sauta is a movie of it. Sauta, it's a movie. So man, like, you know, this concept is bothering me because of once upon a time. Actually, I still wanna do like this acting thing, and then now the bad part is that I'm in Sauta, and but bruh, like what has been on the media, like it's really like perplexing, like it's really like it's perplexing because of, I'm like, why do we always like from time to time like we see South African actors like poor, man, like like that thing is bothering me. Like, you know, there's this video that I saw on my Facebook, like when I was busy watching my reels. Cool. I see Mdletje. The legend Kim Mdletje. Let me show you the video. I see Mdletje. This is not the first time I heard him cry. He was crying at first. The podcast thing, I understand that. Crying about the finances, blah 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 blah. You smell me? Cool. Now he's back again, crying. He's poor. Like, the more adult thing. Like, dog. Okay, fine, sharp. I understand. Okay. So why during those years? This is my question, you know. I'm not trying to be offensive or what. Yeah. You understand me? But my question is, I want you to understand me. During the time I answer actor Uzalo as a legend. You understand? Yeah. Because of us, you know him as a legend. Like, we don't even like. We don't even imagine he would be like poor like that. Honestly speaking, you understand? So like, I wanna understand. So during that time, so was he not getting money already? Why didn't he voice out during that time? Okay, fine, sharp. But like, why not say something? Or so like, so that situation is because of now. If you beg it, you look at it from another perspective. It appears like you've used up your mind because of obviously no salary. What did he do with the money? But what you got to understand that part too. He's old. You understand? So that's the thing. So I was asking myself that, not like with leaping back or what. Like this is what actually happens in South Africa. Like from time to time, like we have to see celebrities, they becoming like even actors, specifically actors. You remember that woman? There's this woman. It was being like, she was violated by her mother and stuff like that. Sure. Her mother saying she's going to kick her out and stuff like that. You see that, right? Like, yeah, she's slending and I see her. Sure, being broke. Donation. Do you like? Okay, my mind tells me they don't pay them enough.
For me, it is something of a breach of contract.
Yeah, I think they don't pay them enough.
Lawyers that could give them a better plan on signing the contract.
What I don't understand or know is this one. Like, Mdletje, I don't know him that much, but this one, I'm talking about this girl. Is she a lesbian?
Yole, what's that? The reason over lesbian is so the first, like he's one of the first actors who are lesbian. No, there was this SABC one, right? Who put like I hope a series who were gonna lesbian so
and stuff like that. Yeah, anything was a trainer. I'm a trainer something. Yeah. So girl who this is from? On the on the screens. Now how can she be broke, guys? Like, let's talk about this. How can she be broke when she was acting like till now? How can she be broke?
All along, like that's what we want to know. Like that's the question of the day.
There's no way from that time till now. I think people are scamming us for some.
No, that's the thing. There's like, who is this actor? And like on which podcast that I was watching, and he was like, he in a nutshell, he exposed what celebrities do. He was like, "Hey man, I'm not sure, but there's this celebrity I like. If I'm not mistaken, in a low scheme GP because of he ended up saying, I think Manjo Soya exposed us why am I actor maning pro? It's because of they wanna act like other people. Like Baba do gets about to buy a symbol now. It's about concept now expensive cars. How should we budget out? Investor Makasana Moto.
If you can see that video, like if you can see that video, Zuma Mdletje.
Yeah.
Have you seen that? How clean he is? He's very clean. And did you see the house? Like he's very clean. They said in the video, they said no one is watching for him. No one is doing. But how do you think he's very clean? His shirt is very white.
That's my question,
very white.
Bro. Here's the
that shirt shows
the video.
That person, that shirt has been dry clean.
That's a fucking contradiction. You said it nice. Like, here is the video.
Yeah.
Our actors are subjected to
That's my take. Don't come for me. That's my take.
Look at the shade. It's very white.
It's white.
You are getting scammed.
What the fuck?
That's why they are called actors. That's why they are called actors. They are acting. No, this is very a clean shirt like that, a white shirt. Thank you. And did you see that one? We want.
Hey man, still in the corners. Tell the truth. Chief, that's all about to be honest for guys. I blew it. I'm not gonna Chris I blew it. He's back again now.
Guys, now I don't feel like this thing is true. Look at that shit.
Just kidding.
Look at that shit.
I like this game.
It's very white, very clean. Like
I just know how long I don't Uzalo. So now when I'm watching this video, all I see Uzalo.
That's why they are called actors.
You understand me?
I like acting also. I'm a TikTok actor, so I can do it. That's nothing.
I'm not like dog, like the way I want more.
Crying is nothing.
Like dog, ain't no motherfucking way.
No.
Like on the screen. Even in real life, like those reactions would resemble each other. Like, how long would a scam, guys?
How can you scam people when you are popular?
That's the perk of it. To born on pets grows a restaurant. No channel, but I'll see what Chaltaka, no channel in Nankal, like a little actor, a little famous. Guys,
but can you do that?
Bank account,
guys, I'm broke. I'm very broke. I'm broke. Like, I was a content creator, now I'm broke. Yeah. I'm even crying. That's acting.
Like, dog, they're getting to the bag. They are getting to the bag, they're getting to the bag. So you can't really go against whatever that they trying to do, man. It's all that. Scrumptious place.
What's about a bank account, Jay?
Bank account on multiple account the account the buyer hagata would hide
you can hide those things.
Yeah. Capital just like got the savings or the main account.
Yeah.
And then that's the other one near the savings. I come all along all the time what I want to I don't want how can I keep it app.
Why is he broke? I want to expose the corruption inside acting. Maybe
no. This guy has already said something. All I showing trainer on this thing, it was a podcast, man. Diamond Hanata Ala Obro. He put it all for Uzalo, like Ospan Nukilabana. I've done everything. Also, I got a manga, Lanuch and Abatwale, Kibaspana, Abakataki Balabanko, I feel like you smell me like it was that type of concept. Yeah. To be precise. Yeah. It's a I got a typical mutual, I got a typical podcast. Fala agora não dá para que vai fazer luta, eu só reflexo de isso. But it's my cameraman is very wild. Yeah, I have to check out well this level. But yeah, man. So that's the thing. Now I'm asking myself because of talk. Like me, I know. Some of the actors to one for like so actors they are doing good now. Go like couple. Okay, fine sharp. Square is there. Why not complain while you're still working there?
Yeah. Why didn't you say they're not paying me enough? And it was going to bring attention that time.
Yeah.
It was going to be protested against Uguti. No. Why are you not paying them enough money?
Wow, just like Mamela, just like Bo Auskoni, Conification. Generation the legacy they contested during that time and about to but to back off la basha ene le manola ana pota ho no jena ke bone ka go ntho o tlhokofetse la ema a sa mo mo so apotanga ho so wabo so like my point is that they are all gubota went to emna ba sharp but they said it during that time for him ha ga patalo sharp but they never exposed during that time.
There are good actors that are needed everywhere. Those people I feel like no joke with example a simple person this
yeah.
For heaven's sake. Actor ho da one. O se le ho yena hore yena o accepta which proposal from which like o sa le pointing ya hore yena o sheba offer o dimi ha kae. No tshaba ka lata wena from the street ba offer only 10,000 only to find out what ba ka hare ba khola maybe 50k.
That's the problem about us. Look over the concept about factor about to guy. No China, you in shit. Jalo ko tshaba la strategy.
Nah, you're nothing.
Ba la the producer ba re mona zokala o tlo act.
You sign a contract for the fact.
Ba sign ba re tlo ga 10k for whatever we decide. Why accept on a for call? It's the same concept along or they apply the artists to buy at South why accept the children no because of that's what you are worth at that time. But then how realize for X but when ngoreke ba etsa same thing na under the very same thing ha ba patala the same makeup also qala o bona mahudo la for him na mfethu mna man children o a lebala for these people about to o sna fuck all.
Yeah.
These people are never told but to osna fuck all
just because bank advantage ka go hauna fuck all bank advantage ka hauna fuck all and then ba offer less.
Yeah.
Ba offer less just because hauna nix. Mara lo tshaba ka lata tawio.
Sure.
Generation no just tawi mkhositse maybe ka di chelet.
Yeah, but obvious.
Well, that's because you're just an actress nkosiyam.
Yeah, and it's just another actress, a typical actress. Unfortunately, he's not yet there. He's not yet there. Happy day, man. Ola. Oh, like Uzalo fella. I don't know. Is there any other show?
On some shows on 161.
Or TV. And I choose the show to allegedly. I choose to take that. Yeah,
it's for promotion.
I choose. No.
Volunteering.
Like most of it has to knock off film but then now with them for Conification. For production loss you might get better coins. I don't know. I'm just assuming because of like you see like that's the richest production I would say in South Thailand or like it's pushing at the highest. You smell me like they're doing quite good. So you wouldn't say like even what they release is doing good. So you wouldn't say about was pananda. Na no jena bruta sa khutla asa o bro koni na sa mopata. That's the same concept. That's our perspective. That's the same thing. Sharp. But anyway, it is what it is, man. Everything against the scale of time, you smile me, man. So yeah, moving on. I saw something crazy. I got crazy stuff only. I
Very crazy. Everything is crazy
it's a movie. You smell me? But this one, dog. But go ahead. After I saw this thing, like I put kind of like MK. But kind of Zuma is the president of MK.
Yeah.
Dog, like so. Here's the thing, I saw this video, I saw it on my Insta. They say, did you know the fact that Zuma came up with the concept of BRICS currency? Did you know it is Zuma who came up with that concept? I mean, he said it so himself for him and for then I can propose.
Is it working out though?
Yeah, BRICS is gaining momentum. I think we are being sabotaged. Just like the way if you watch those videos, I will put them up once. So on those videos is like, yo, I came up with this concept like a picture the country and that's a 5 15. I was just like economy arona internal matla. I want ke shebile di stats ka bona for internal matla economy ya rona di ntse tsena every country rona ena le matla e leng gore matcha pa le country tse ding so mona di kopana obviously di go etsa ntho pa
it's Brazilian what
wabo India, China, and South Africa.
Yeah.
I understand.
And other countries proposed also.
Yeah, I know there are other countries that have joined the line. You understand me? Yeah. So man, that's the thing. So I was like, yo, but this guy is a genius. And that is why he like MK momentum because of like the kind of wisdom that it has. And I would say when about to say all the support and as well, I don't support to run just because of the water we are sold.
Thank you. Very boring.
My selfish, but like a support and fun. YouTube. Are you fucking with me? It's the phone is YouTube. Okay, na varsity. How na YouTube push one? That's a day.
Especially when like Mara, if I'm a girl, can you please do this?
Okay, yeah.
Mara, there's this guy. I approached him and said, "Can you do this for me?" And then he said, "Speak Zulu." And I was speaking English.
Yeah.
I speak Zulu. I don't know Zulu.
Yeah.
I'm not going to talk to you if you don't speak Zulu. Just like that.
Those ones are very selfish. And
once and I thought the just ones are okay.
For the sake of my channel, for any luna. I weigh no to an episode at and I travel in such a plot Zululand. Yeah, but I don't agree because of Banana Sepa, no, Banana Sepa,
to me, like, they are here to dominate this place. What are you saying?
Oh, nah. Low dominate among them, lava colonization. But to be legally, nah, little rooster, then. Barry, go back, outsmart. Directed all because of
know to fight, how to fight. Like they are violent, those people.
Anyway, that's not the topic of the day, but then anyway, they had the message by Dreams Connect like episode that it's not okay, it's not nice, boys. It's not nice. There are good people. And there are some digs also. They are digs also, dog. Me and myself, my boy. Me and myself, my boy. They are digs, bro. They are digs, bro. They are digs. Like we have like good like so there's a segregation among them. They are digs, bro. Like there are those people who are like you understand. Like mo tumto. Mo tho mo nge mona fethu no utshena o ka setle qwa qwa to batla go tlovetsa motho a qwa for ga bua Zulu. Ke mo tshwere ke masela.
What's that?
Come on, dog.
Like what's that?
Come on, dog. Come on.
And now like accommodate.
You understand?
We are accommodating all of them, Kosiam. And then
all the fucking time. All the fucking time. So let me understand that you're not about to Arab. Come on, dog.
Go to the point where have a fitla go bua bona Zulu mara
I don't know what I'm going man. So you told like the first semester of all.
How so understand the fact that no man. Nze re bla like because if bone bona ba khona ba bue Setswana it was going to be easy.
It was going to be nice.
It was going to be
nice
easy.
No, anyway, as we were on Zuma saying, nah, yeah, man. So I think it's gonna win because of like the wisdom. That timer is actually smart, man. It's smart. And then him saying this thing, this was one of the smartest moves. And in fact, if that man no influencer, like who influencer such a this is a big deal type of thing. You smell me? So that was the thing, man. For Zuma came up with the concept of BRICS, and guys, I wish that BRICS works out because of USD. American, so like we need to come back harder. One brick equator to Buma.
23 pounds.
$23, $100, $100. Yeah. Currency still serious. Currency serious. In fact, operation because of our oppression. I'm not gonna lie. That's oppression. That's straight up oppression. That's a good definition of oppression. You smell me?
I feel like USA no just feel like if man. I feel like it feels like I'm the one now.
I'm dominating. They have the resources. That's they don't have the resources. They don't have the resources. They fish out the resources. I'm not trying to reward colonization. It's not about I'm not go outsmart and fit. Up to so far Africa Manakapo South because of we have everything. We have gold, we have diamonds, we have diamond, everything. Originally made in South Africa.
How to form like primary? Each and every book, inside the resort, more gold, the guy, more king, more 10 what? Think
and then you be asking yourself, like, what the fuck, bro? Like, I'm not gonna leave pools for endless mara. You understand? I present on a scam, and I don't go below confront the parliament. Our president.
Out. One also.
Mofe.
When Ausiana get up when a well president are you don't a student in. You don't take that's so tomorrow how nahanele into bana in. I don't know what I think la in because more than 100 mamang tau.
Yeah.
But Baba funded him about how to reach it.
Damn.
But well my tongue. Baba like maybe no party thing or how next first even say institution cannot go funded to reach it. So it's very happening.
I know. Many people. And it's so it's so annoying, it's disgusting, and it's so discouraging. Lose funding in the middle of your studies, dog. That's a fucked up thing, dog. Terminator income your house, so span. I feel terminator contract out the span.
Someone like me.
Like how do you function, dog? Go
what do you do? Osna parents, Osna backup, Osna like no one is waking around you. What do you do?
I mean that's fucked up. I know that.
what do we do?
But hey, man,
trucks and stuff like that.
That is all when I'm about to talk about border starting. That is because of this type of things.
That's why we're getting fucked.
Yeah, it's because of this type of things. But hey, man, it is what it is, man. It's the safe room part, man. You know what it is. We've got here to the end of the episode. You know what it is, man. Shout out for putting up, man. Shout out for putting up. You know what it is, man. It's a safe room part. It's a boy, it's a boy FoxxyZA. You know what it is. And then I'm with my friend over here. You smell me, you're gonna be seeing here regularly. You smell me, get used to it. Make sure you comment down below. Bonso, smell me. How do you like it? How do you like to change the episode though?
Yeah, it was nice. Looking forward for another episode.
You smell me?
Yeah.
So let's make sure, guys, you like, comment, share, hit that subscribe button. We always emphasize it. Subscribe. How do you expect to see this kind of thing? How do we develop if you don't want us to subscribe? If you want more videos like this, subscribe.
And hit the notification button.
On the left there. It's on the left. Down there on the left, you smell me. Please hit that subscribe button, man. Thank you for tuning in. You know it's the safe from part. It's the boys like, hey man, we out. Do this.
My nigga post, we got a roast. We got a roast, my nigga roast. We got a post. We got a sauce, my nigga roll. To our back, our back.